Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add and subtract mixed numbers, the final two operations with mixed numbers. So the good news about adding and subtracting mixed numbers is that the steps that we learned for adding and subtracting fractions will also work for adding and subtracting of mixed numbers. All we have to remember to do is to rewrite the mixed numbers as equivalent improper fractions, and we are good to go. So let's look at an example of when we're adding. Let's look at 2 3/8, and we're going to add 3 3/4. First thing we do is convert. Denominator times whole number plus numerator, that gives me 19. 4 times 3 plus 3. So when we're doing this addition, yes, we have different denominators, but my common denominator, more importantly, my least common denominator, already exists. It's right there. And the good news with this rewrite is that I'm only going to have to rewrite one fraction, this one, with a denominator of 8. So all I'm going to do is copy the first fraction over. I'm not going to change it. Now, for this second fraction, to get a denominator of 8 from 4, we multiplied by 2. What you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So 15 times 2 is 30. We now have equivalent denominators. Now all we do is add. 19 plus 30 is 49. And then the last step is to rewrite our improper fraction as a mixed number, which doing so will give me 6 1/8. 6 groups of 8 rather, will go into 49, and you'll have one remainder left over. Now let's take a look at an example of when we are subtracting. And if you get a negative fraction, it can happen. It's not very common, but just double check your work and make sure that you're doing the right conversions and the proper steps. Let's subtract 4 2/3 with 2 4/5. Rewrite 3 times 4 plus 2. 2 times 5 plus 4. Same numerators. That actually worked out pretty nice. These are different denominators, yes, so our least common denominator for 3 and 5 is going to be their product. 3 times 5, which is 15. To get to a denominator of 15 from 3, we're going to multiply by 5. So 14 times 5, that's 70. And then to get to a denominator of 15 from 5, we're going to multiply by 3. Oops. Show my work there. Okay. So 5 times 3 is 15. 14 times 3 is 42. Same denominators. Now we subtract the numerators. 70 minus 42 is 28. Last step is to rewrite our final answer as a mixed number. That gives me 1 13/15. Oops. 1 13/15 right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.